Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which Google account and country you'll use. Balance is account-specific, so pick the right profile. Next, open Play Store and navigate to Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods. Redeem a gift card or add funds. Choose carrier billing, PayPal, or Google Pay depending on availability. Once added, the balance appears under Google Play Balance. Make sure to record the redemption code if you used a card. It prevents losing funds if something goes wrong. Now use the balance. Pick an app, subscription, or media and tap Purchase. At checkout, select Google Play Balance as your primary payment method. The store applies it automatically if enough. If the balance is insufficient, Google will charge the remaining amount to your backup payment method, so check that backup before confirming. For subscriptions, verify recurring billing uses balance or a card. Once done, watch for confirmation email and the purchase appearing in purchase history, so you can manage refunds or cancellations. To finish, keep track of purchases and remaining balance via payments and subscriptions and order history. This helps avoid unexpected charges. For refunds, request one through the Play Store within policy windows and unsubscribe to stop recurring billing. If your balance doesn't apply, clear Play Store cache and data, sign out and back in, or remove and re-add your payment methods. These steps often fix sync issues. If problems persist, contact Google Support with your order ID and redemption code for a quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.